Hi guys, Nishant here. In this tutorial I'll tell you about comments in PHP and also about variables and how to use those variables in PHP. So let's start with comment first, but first of all open XAMPP control panel as usual and start MySQL and Apache. As you can see, I have already started Apache and MySQL. Now open text editor. Here I am using Sublime Text. I have already saved it as variable.php and it already contains PHP's opening tag and closing text. So right now I'll show you how to write comments. So there are two single line comments and one multiple line comment. So I'll first show you single line comments and then afterwards multiple line comments. For single line comments, it's 2/ and then whatever you want to write. This is single line comment, and you can also use hashtag. For multiple line comment, it's / and asterisk, and the text whatever you want to write. I'm just copying the same text, and to close it, it's asterisk and again /. So that's it for comments. Now in further tutorial I will show you how to mention comments at proper places. That will help you to write your code efficiently. So now let's start with variables, and I'll show you using those variables how to perform different mathematical functions like addition, subtraction and multiplication. In PHP, variable starts with $, and it's followed by its name. So you can mention it using like $x, $y, $age, $total, whatever you want, but variable cannot be a number. Remember it, variable cannot be a number. Unlike other programming languages, PHP has no command for declaring a variable. It is created the moment you assign a value to it. PHP automatically converts variable to its correct data type depending on its value. Variable only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. So you can also write a variable like first underscore name. So all this I have declared just now are variables. So right now I'll show you how to perform mathematical functions like addition, subtraction and multiplication using this variable. So to do that, I'll first declare a variable with its value. So x and y. So the value of x is 6, value of y is 3. To perform addition, we have to write echo and then just the addition of both two variables. Remember, semicolon is important, is must. We can write the same for subtraction. And same goes for multiplication. So Control S, just save it, open your browser, localhost, folder name that's tutorial, and file name that's variable.php, and here's the answer. 9 is for addition, 3 is for subtraction and 18 is for multiplication. To make it look better, what we can do is we can combine the first tutorial with this tutorial. So to do that, I will define 3 more variables. That's add, $sub for subtraction, and mul is for multiplication. Now what we can do is we have to write echo and print whatever we want to say in the result of addition, and then we have to declare a dot sign and then a variable add. So what will it do is it will print the result of addition, and it will print out the result that we get in the variable dot add. Same goes for subtraction. $sub and semicolon is important. So let's just save it and check it out. So the result of addition is 9, result of subtraction is 3, and result of multiplication is 18. It looks good, but to make it more attractive, what we can do is, instead of writing the whole HTML code, we can just add some codes right here in PHP code. So to make it bold, you have to define function here. And if we have used a starting tag, we also have to use an ending tag, same like HTML. Save it and just check it out what happens. So the text is bold. Now what if we want to like space it up? So let's just do that. Echo br same goes for the sentence. Let's just save it and check out what happens. It does look really good and attractive. So that's it for this tutorial, and in next tutorial I will show you about different scope in variables and how to define variable in global and locally. Thank you.